Hello there. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching this video in the globe. If you are new, welcome to the next Classic Stitches channel. And thank you for clicking. Thank you for my subscribers, returnees, and newbies. As I said, thank you for coming to the next channel. Today, I'm going to be talking to you about this pattern. As I said, we're going to sew this next, but today we're not going to sew. I just finished cutting all my pieces and I'm still debating whether I'm going to go with sleeves or not, or go short sleeves, but I'm sewing this, the T length. Okay, now when I measure the pattern at the top, I'm size 10. Okay. And at the bottom, I'm between 10 and 12. So I cut 12 and I'm going to adjust it when I'm sewing. Okay. So this is the skirt. Now, my fabric, I want to talk to you also about my fabric. The pattern looks like it's everywhere, but when you buy fabric like that, you have to take a very close look at it. Okay, if you look at the flowers, it looks like it's everywhere, but take a good close look at it. Look at these two big pattern, and then look at it the same here. If you look at it, you can tell that it's on diagonal. Okay, so these big flowers there in between those, the other patterns are everywhere, but look at these two, very careful. And then look at down here too, these big two ones, they all going in diagonal, and the middle of it, the patterns is everywhere. So something like that, before you cut, you have to put it on your body and look at it in a mirror, and then really take a good look at it. You can't cut one this way because you think the patterns are everywhere. You can't cut one top up and one top down. Otherwise, it looks very weird. Take a good look at it. See, it doesn't look balanced. See? This is the top. If I put the other pattern upside down or top side down, look how it looks like. Excuse me. See how it looks like. See, this is the big pattern. And then you see how it is here. The big two patterns here. And the other one is here. I missed the corner. And in between. Otherwise, it looks upside down. Okay? Because look at this. And then look at this. So you have to be very careful when you buy fabric that has patterns all over it. Take a very good look at it and see the best way to cut it. If you're not sure, as I said, put it against your body in a long mirror. Look at it. Put it up against your body and then flip it upside down and put it on your body and see how it looks like before you cut your fabric. Okay, otherwise it doesn't look good, or it won't look good. So please, okay, as I said, the patterns are everywhere, but take a good close look at it. Okay, this is back of the pattern and I have it up, but if I have cut it this way, you see how it looks? See the two big patterns? It looks upside down. Though the patterns are everywhere. See? This looks much better, as I keep repeating myself. So this is all I'm going to be talking to you about today. Next week, we start sewing. Okay? So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week. So no sewing today. Enjoy your weekend. Bye. Thanks.